Hello, this is Tom. Today we're going to create this slam dunk themed morphing PowerPoint together. Let's start with the first scene that transitions like this. First, type in the main text in large font. I use the paper logi font here. Next, draw a large rectangle. Select both the text and the shape, then go to Merge Shapes and choose Fragment. Delete any unnecessary fragments and arrange the text where you want it. Now, create another rectangle that matches the slide size. While holding Shift, select all the text pieces. Go back to Merge Shapes and choose Subtract. Now change the color of the remaining shape and add a shadow effect. Bring in your background image and send it to the back, and that completes your first slide. Now duplicate the slide. Zoom out to the smallest view. Then enlarge the shape that had the text cut out. Make it big enough so the empty slide area is visible through it. Zoom back in, then slightly reduce the size of the background image. Draw a rectangle and apply a gradient fill. Make the top and bottom transparent and adjust the middle gradient smoothly. Once it's finished, please bring the logo and the ball. Copy the logo, gradient shape and basketball, then paste them into the previous slide. Since they'll slide in from the bottom, place them below the slide area for now. Next, we'll work on the slide where these elements come together. Duplicate the current slide and delete any shapes or objects you no longer need. Move the logo and gradient shape up into the visible slide area, then delete the image. Now bring in your pre-made transparent text. Now let's insert the first image. Since he'll be entering from the side, place him just outside the left edge of the slide. Place the text outside the right edge. Duplicate the slide again. Now move the image off the slide and delete the text. Bring in the second image. Shrink the basketball, rotate it slightly and position it to look like he is shooting it. Then go back to the previous slide and place second image just outside the slide area. Let's move on to the next scene. Duplicate the slide and shift second image to the side, delete all the text. Bring in a transparent text and a background shape. Also bring in your pre-made object. Since the whole object will slide up, move it below the slide in the previous scene. Have the text appear from top and bottom, so position those of the slide area too. Let's make the final slide. Duplicate the slide and delete all objects. Bring in the final image and text. Select the image, go to Animations and choose Fade. Set the Start option to with Previous. Click the text and choose Appear. Now, apply the morph transition to all slides except the first and last. And that's how you make a slam dunk themed morphing PowerPoint. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.